Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto E7 Power, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the standalone version of contacts, which is right over here. Once you open it up, and skip signing in. So once you see this page right here, you're gonna tap on the three bars right here, navigate to settings, and right at the bottom you should see import option. Select it. Choose that you want to import contacts from the SIM card, and once you do, it will show you all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. As you can see, for me it's 5 different contacts. For you, most likely it will be more, but by default they will all be selected as they are for me right here. And if some of those contacts already exist on your device, they will be checked off, meaning they will be like this, and they will also be grayed out, so you won't be able to select them. The device is basically stopping you from creating duplicate contacts, so that is a good thing though. So from here we can deselect contacts that you don't want, as you just seen me do, and from there, once you have everything selected, click on check mark. It will import all the selected contacts and you will be able to see them right here. And that is how you would import your contacts. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.